Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. For today, we're going to cook tuna patties. This dish is good for 5 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching! Let's prepare the ingredients. Chop the onion into minced. Same thing with the garlic, chop into minced. Next, we prepare the bread. We use the bread as filler. Cut the bread into small pieces. You may also use crackers such as sky flakes or magic flakes as alternative. Pour the tuna in a bowl. We already removed the oil from the canned tuna. You can use any kind of tuna. Add the salt, sugar, garlic, and onion. The amount of salt and sugar vary depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. Mix them well. Add the flour, cornstarch, and turmeric. Turmeric has an anti-inflammatory properties that help to prevent and treat disease. You can use just a small amount of turmeric. It also brings yellow color in the food. Add the pepper. Mix them well. Next, add the egg. Blend the egg well with the mixture. You can also add magic sarap or other condiments of your choice for added flavor. Lastly, add the bread. It acts as filler. Mix all together the ingredients. The mixture is ready. Heat the pan in low heat and pour the oil. Scoop a tablespoon of the mixture and shape it like a patty. Fry the patties in medium heat. Fry both sides until it turns golden brown. Okay, it's already cooked. Remove the patties from the oil and transfer to a plate. And there you have it, tuna patties. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now. Happy eating! Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!